Day. Ayan na. Kasi, ayan. Tinatawag na namin yung mga addition.
Bakit baka mawala?
Ay, mga edition. Mga...
Let's go.
Ano? Yee! Ikaw yan, no? Ikaw yan, eh! Woo! Ikaw yan? Tignan mo,
Pinipindot mo pa. Nakakaya ka naman yung sakto may kandila. Ano ba yan? Nagtawag pa ako ng mga bida sa pansitan eh. The birthday boys! Galit na galit eh.
Video.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ako, narinig mo, nag-request, video.
Wait lang, doon tayo. Uy, dito ka ba?
Blah, blah, blah.
Kahit kandila ng patay.
What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now that time has passed, I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. You could have. Tell me now, how you wanna be without you? How you do like this? And if you whisper like that, it was all us ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need is all that. Hindi ba na? You. Magkakakat na ba ito?
Ikaw na dyan. Wala mo na ba sila?
Parang takot siya, pero
Ayan guys, nagkaroon kami ng problema sa set 4. Ano sasabihin pag break?
We have our technical problem, so we will be right back.
Yes! Pasko muna. O, Pasko muna tayo guys. Magna-national anthem muna tayo ha guys. Yes. Ano national anthem natin?
Pasko.
Yes. Ano nun? Title? Oh, very good naman siya nag-review. Ano ba yan? Videohan. Sino ko?
Hindi ka ba minawawala sa iyo?
Malalilepaw siya.
Looking at you, girl.